this is Darlene, Avery Lane's shop girl. My favorite thing to do is to throw beautiful little dinner parties for my special friends and family, and it all revolves around having a beautiful dining room set. This is a great dining room table. It looks like these silver rods are just suspended. The way they make the glass look, they are absolutely gorgeous. It's a real signature piece. And then we paired it with these lovely contemporary white leather and chrome dining room chairs. It's a beautiful piece if you have a contemporary home. I love the classic feel of black and white houndstooth, and put it on a dining room chair in black and white. It really is current. This is a wonderful marble top table with these beautiful iron chairs, perfect for a smaller little breakfast nook, or if you have one of the condos in the area. This is a wonderful dining room set for intimate dining room. And of course, we had to pair it with an oversized piece of art, this absolutely magnificent black rose piece of art. It could be hung either vertical or even just leaned against a wall like we done it, or you could hang it horizontally like it was in the home where it came from. Dining sets have come a long way, baby, and I love the idea of a bistro elevation types table, and then a little bit more casual with the bar stools. Certainly cozy. This could be your breakfast nook where maybe you have your coffee and cocktails in the evening, not for formal dining, but it's super, super comfortable and very current in the styling. I love design that brings in texture and materials and things that make the room feel multidimensional. This is a wonderful metal-topped table, and it looks like it's either been pounded by rain or with little elves with little hammers. It's got so much detail on it, and then I love the cross bottom on it, really organic and dramatic. And then we just paired it with simple white chairs, but you could certainly bring in something with a little bit more color even. But it's a beautiful dining room table for any room. There's so many homes that still have an elegant feel to them. They're a Santa Barbara or an old style Tuscany style house, and an old traditional style dining room set is perfect for that. I love these parchment chairs with the beautiful slipper bottoms, and we paired them with this lovely kind of gray muted dining room table, very sophisticated and very serene. So many of our clients love the store Design Within Reach, but they don't love the prices so much. We've got some beautiful knoll pieces here at Avery Lane, and here's an example. These are some of the wonderful knoll chairs, and I love that they're in this fun, fabulous, kind of sunshiny lime green, really add a pop of color to the house. They've got beautiful legs, great kind of knobby detail, and we paired them with a very traditional classic dining room table. I think this one is actually, yeah, it's a hickory white table, and it's beautiful wood on the top and elegant gold on the bottom. This is a real showstopper of a dining room set. The MR chair came out in 1907 by Marcel Brewer, and it's a wonderful, iconic, kind of like a Wassily chair or an Ames chair. It's got so much sculptural detail. I love the wicker backs and the curved arms with the wicker on them, and then the beautiful chrome. It has a real mid-century vibe, and we paired it with this wonderful dining room set. It's got an organic blonde wood pedestal to it, and then a glass top with these wonderful chrome accents. And one of the things I really love about this table is that it's a beautiful lazy Susan. So if you're having a dinner party, it's really easy to pass the bread or the salt. I love when things are repurposed. This is a wonderful kind of a center island. If you don't have a center island in your home, this is a great way to get that functionality using as a kitchen piece. But also, we've designed it and we've put some bar stools behind it. So it's a great place for people to keep you company while you're cooking, or as a wonderful place to stage dinner. Come see all of these beautiful dining room sets here at Avery Lane in Scottsdale, Arizona.